Proof of intelligent design. 1. Complex independently specified functional information is proof of intelligent design. In this video, we provide a brief introduction to complex independently specified functional information, CISFI, and how it is proof of intelligent design. CISFI is proof of intelligent design in general, whether human or extraterrestrial, alien, or God. Example: a cake recipe provides a series of shapes on your screen that are meaningless if you do not know English language. So, the shapes are complex, but provide no functional information if you do not have an independent reader who knows the meaning of the shapes. Hence the independent specification. When you see a cake recipe on your screen, you can conclude with absolute certainty that those shapes on your screen were not created by random chance wind, or Brownian motion, or ocean waves, and they were not created by natural law, e.g. gravity, and you would rationally infer that intelligent design was involved in the creation of the cake recipe. It is the functional information in the recipe that confirms intelligent design of the recipe. The independent specification arises from the fact that those shapes on your screen have a meaning, functional instructions with steps to make a cake that is independent of any process that created those shapes on your screen. So the shapes are complex, and they have independent specification, because they have meaning, i.e. functional instructions, that is independent of the process that created their shapes. And they have functional information because they communicate a function of teaching you, an independent reader, how to make a cake. CISFI is used in many fields to infer the actions of intelligence, e.g. archaeology, forensic science, criminal justice, patent infringement claims, patent law, copyright infringement claims, search for extraterrestrial intelligence, intellectual property claims. So, CISFI is proof of intelligent design in general, whether human or extraterrestrial, alien, or God. We see CISFI everywhere in the biosphere. This is proof of intelligent design in the biosphere. We will discuss this further in future videos. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment below if you agree or would like to add your thoughts.